free. Oh, okay, all right. Order field. Okay, so I'm about to get triggered here. Short on the Euro USD. Let's see if that plays out. Yeah. And let's have a look at gold. I mean, very slow day, guys. Super, super, super slow day. Incredibly slow day. Just look at this choppy mess all around. Cheers. How are you, mate? Just look around. I mean, there's absolutely nothing to do here other than wait. Now, remove joints. This looks pretty strong. NQ also pushing higher at the open. We could, in fact, have had a place some buys at the break of this, but that's not how I play the game. The Euro US dollar trade, sure, mate. Here it is. That's my Euro USD trade. Have a sell limit around this zone. Now, let's have a look at some other markets. Very, like I told you, gold. I'm going to talk about gold in a second because we shall look for some very, very good opportunities here. Remove joins. But platinum is doing its thing. Remember that the cool thing about trading platinum, guys, is that it almost always front runs gold, which means that what I've actually learned about platinum in the past weeks is that it front runs the moving gold in the sense that we could get a sense of where gold is going or what gold is going to do just by looking at this market. And here we have a perfect market structure shift. So I'm going to maybe take some short opportunities here in platinum. Yeah. So pretty cool thing here. We have a complete market structure shift in platinum right here. So I'm gonna play some shorts in platinum. Yep, it looks good. Now, what I need to do is have a look at where we are in the higher time frame. In the higher time frames, because I'm not gonna play a market structure shift of a oh, we did have that target liquidity swept. So this is a cool setup, very cool setup. Now, let's see if I can place platinum trades on the account that tracks my VIP trades. I think so. Why the fuck wouldn't I be able to do that? A platinum. I think not. I don't know. Copper and the platinum. Yes, I can. That's very cool. So we're going to look into shorts here in platinum. Now, Yeah. So in the 5 minute chart, I'm interested in placing platinums here, platinum shorts. This is my entire point of interest right here. Point of interest. So I'm going to be placing some shorts here. And my stop loss is going to be above the highs, so about 0.669. Ooh, 0.69. 0.69. It's a sell limit. So I'm going to use two contracts. Ooh, that's a thick risk. And I'm going to target these lows at 0.485, let's call it. Yeah, making it for a one. Oh, this is a little bit higher. Right there. So this is a cool 3R trade in my hands. Short platinum. What you looking for in gold? Well, nothing right now. Gold is looking extremely bullish. But I'm playing the platinum short side, my friend. Now on gold, I'm still looking for shorts in gold. I just gold hasn't hit my point of interest just yet. There's no setup in gold. This setup in platinum is pretty cool though. So I'm gonna place this on that and send the and send actually I'm gonna go mid right here. So mid. It's a sell limit right there. Right. With stop losses about the highs. And my TP is going to be here for a, no, actually here for a 3.3R. Wow, the spread here is huge. So I have to protect myself, I reckon. All right. Hold on, guys. I just this is the parameters of my platinum trade. I just need to lower the risk a little bit on this one. It's a sell limit, and oh, I got filled Euro USD short. All right. I got filled short on the Euro US dollar, and here I'm going to use 0.8 place. Actually, I'm going to do lower 0.7. That's right. So I'm gonna send this to my VIPs. Let's see what we can do with this one. This is Platinum XPT USD. Sell limit at oh, I got executed here in Platinum. um, got executed here in platinum. Um, all right, so this is going to be at market then. Uh-huh. All right, short here on the euro, 2.8R, raise 0.50%. All right, so short platinum sent to the VIPs. Now I'm back to you guys. What's up? Good morning, Taylor. Taylor. Godspeed, Freeman. All right, I didn't quite get triggered here on my futures account, but I did get triggered on my signals account. I'm also short the Euro USD. Uh-oh, here. Good afternoon. All right. Didn't quite get triggered here on this account, on my futures account. Well, that's fine. Let's have a look at this Euro US dollar here, DXY. Oh, the US dollar completely and utterly broke with my point of interest. Let's have a look at what's going on here. So completely and utterly broke with my point of interest. I'm going to be very, very careful at what it does next because here is something that might be interesting. If we break with these lows, or if we strip this liquidity, I'm gonna close at break even the rest of it. Platinum looking very good, guys. What I'm looking at here is this. We have the box now. If we strip this liquidity, we're good, right? If we strip this liquidity, we're good in the sense that we're going to go up. But if we break with the lows and we have a complete break, then we're not complete. What? Potentially a head and shoulders forming on the 15-minute time frame on what, mate? On the Euro USD? Let's wait for this. Let's wait for this. Remove drawings. So my point of interest on this is this entire zone right here. So I got triggered, mates. I got triggered very nicely. All right, platinum back in profit. Platinum shorts back in profit. I didn't get triggered here, but you know, I mean, on Ethereum. Oh yeah, I'm gonna look at possible, you know, possible. What? Cryptocurrency. I'm sorry, cryptocurrency shorts. So Ethereum. I didn't. I mean, I should have. I should have sold that market when it was at these highs, but because I was sending the, you know, the signal, I couldn't. I mean, I couldn't. So I missed this opportunity on my futures account. But here is the trades on, you know, this is platinum on the account that tracks my VIP trades, looking very good. This spread, however, is it's horrible, but it's okay. Now, the reason I'm trading platinum is because I now have a ton of data in that market, and it is quite a very profitable market to trade. I'll tell you that. And also, it upfronts, like I told you, sometimes upfronts what's going to happen in gold. Not this time, but it's all right. So I'm short here on the Euro USD. Looking good, man. Looking good. Both trades looking phenomenal for the time being. This is Euro USD futures. This is the only futures trades that I am holding at the moment, given the fact that I didn't get triggered on my platinum shorts. But both are looking very good. Hope everybody is on them. And yeah, I mean, we're looking for this break of the structure on platinum. You know what? I'm going to record a video for the VIPs now because this is actually quite interesting. And I'm going to explain why I'm trading platinum now. Oh, I don't have no battery left. On my Azel phone. All right, I'm gonna go get some coffee, guys. Just hold on here. I hope everybody got in on that platinum. This trade's looking phenomenal. Both of them are looking very good. Yeah, I hope everybody is in. I'm gonna go get to me some Bali coffee, and I'll be right back. tomorrow doesn't exist. Yo, so what's up? What's up? Huh. All right, so everything looking fine still. I'm still holding those both of those trades. Euro USD looking very snipey. Yeah. Let's see if I get some trigger on my platinum on the futures account. I'm huh? Euro USD looking very good. Okay, so gut feel platinum short. That's good. Good. Finally. Now let's see if this particular play um, um, yields profit. Now I'm going to record the video now for my VIPs actually. My entire point of interest, and I'm going to do the middle line right here. Alright, so I'm going to record the video for my VIPs mates. All right, guys, Orlando here, and yeah, I want to talk to you about this new VIP signal that I just sent, which is a short on platinum. Yes, this is the first time I've sent a signal on platinum, but the reason that that I sent it is because now I have enough data to support my trading decisions on this particular market, which is very profitable. The data shows, in the sense that when it yields an opportunity like this, most of the times it will yield profit. I'm not going to show you and bore you with the back test data and forward test data, most importantly, but I'm going to show you what I'm looking at here on this particular setup. Now, yes, this market has been and is very strong, but if you notice, we do have a higher time frame liquidity sweep right here on this high, right? Now you can see it right here. That sweep of liquidity on the highs. That created a market structure shift. Now, this is the 5-minute chart, guys. I'm going to show you the 50-minute chart so you can appreciate more what I'm talking about. Here is that sweep on liquidity. Here's that high. That sweep of the high. What I also like to call price failures on these markets, I'm sorry, what I also like to call price failures on these kind of setups. Now, not only that, but if you notice, after it liquidated those highs, it also liquidated the highs here on the 5-minute chart, just to see a ton of sellers jumping in to break with these lows, which caused that market structure shift that I'm always talking about. Now, I'm not going to chase this move, of course, and my entire point of interest, this is not a porno. I'm sorry. My entire point of interest started at the lows here and came all the way back to these highs. Why? Because we have that imbalance right here, and we also have an order block. Actually, it could go all the way up here, guys. This is the entire point of interest. I'm sorry, yeah, this is the last order block that I'm looking at. This small candle right here, and as you can see, price mitigated exactly the half point of my point of interest. Now, we are not out of the woods just yet. We are looking for that break of the structure to the downside to be comfortable holding these shorts. But everything is looking out very nicely. So this is the reason why I started to trade this asset, and you are going to get more of this. All right. Good. Now, I'm going to upload this video. So, whilst we wait, right? Very nice. Whilst we hold, I'm not looking to trade anything else. Just holding these two trades. Yep. Oh. So what I want to do is, all right, hold on. Uh-oh. Now, I'm going to be very aggressive at managing the risk here on this particular, short, on this particular short in platinum. Guys, aggressive enough that, the structure in this market is now still immediately bearish. We are getting some pushes up here, some buyers jumping in, which is fine, completely and utterly fine. But actually, this is a make it or break it, in the sense that I don't have a structure high to protect myself for. If I go to the 1 minute chart, I could see my structure high being this one right here, but it's very, 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 very close to my stop losses. So, yeah, this is a make it or break it, in my opinion, or I am going to hold it like this. Nonetheless, right? So two trades short, the euro US dollar, short platinum futures, and yeah, both trades were sent to my VIPs, and both trades are being traded by my VIPs too. So if you want my trades, just go ahead, and you can actually take them by joining my VIP group. Euro USD looking phenomenal, guys. I hope everybody jumped in on this. Quite the snipey trade. Very, very, very good. Mm-hmm. All right, platinum still within my point of interest. I'm still holding this one right now. Let's have a look. Euro USD looking phenomenal. Boom, very snipey entry. Platinum still holding on to this platinum. I'll probably do something about this platinum short. Uh, I don't know. I'll decide it. I'll decide that later. I'll decide this later. Um, you know what? I already decided it was a make it or break it or a hold through SL. It's okay, right? What I could do is, in fact, look at the 3 minute chart on both markets. That should, in fact, be quite interesting. If that is the point of interest on the 3 minute chart, I'm still very good. If you did, you yourself. Right. Where are you, mouse? All right, cool. Euro US dollars looking phenomenal. Platinum looking good. Let's have a look at some other markets, guys. I'm gonna look at the main GBP US dollar. So that's why the GBP USD wasn't all right. Japanese yen. Japanese yen. Let's talk about that Japanese yen, guys, because I have been waiting for this particular setup for a while now. Now, before I go any further, do you have any questions whatsoever? Hey, so hold on. I forgot about my coffee. Coffee? My coffee. My Bali copy. My copy Bali. With creamer. Edit. All right, still waiting for questions, people. All right, short on the pound US dollar. So, yeah, I wanted to talk about that exactly because I'm playing the long side on the US dollar, right? I'm playing the long side on the US dollar, so be it should be logical to look for shorts on the pound USD, right? Now, let's have a look at the 2 hour chart on the pound US dollar. This market is super strong, man. I don't know. This market is super strong. So this liquidation occurred what? Now we do have some target liquidity up here, right there. I wouldn't touch the short side in this market until and only if we liquidate these highs, man, around the 2805 or so. Not earlier. To me, this is just a trap, bear trap at the moment. Should people start getting short here, they are going to be liquidated before the actual move. So I wouldn't touch the short side in this market just yet. That's my opinion, man. All right. So the euro US dollar running almost at 1 hour. I'm gonna take most of my position off at this lows right here. Short-term target liquidity. Of course. Short-term target liquidity. I'm gonna take 4 contracts off. I'm gonna record a video about this actually. All right, traders. So I'm gonna talk about this euro US dollar. This is euro US dollar futures, but again, here's that euro USD in profits at the moment on an MT5. So heads up, because right now I'm gonna move. I'm not going to move my stops to break even just yet. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take most of my because right now the trade is running almost at 1 hour, right? And when it hits this lows, this target, short-term target liquidity, it's going to be running at around 1.5 hour or so. So when and should it hit this levels, I'm going to take off most of my position. In this case, 4 contracts off and move my stop losses to break even. That'll mean that I will be taking about 80% off of this trade on the MT5 that follows my VIP signal. So heads up to that. My concern as well, short from 2850 maybe. I don't know when and if. The thing is that when and if price gets there, we need to wait for the actual we need to wait for the actual reaction to the level, right? We cannot blindly. Oh, mosquito. Whoa, Miyagi! I Miyagi the shit out of that mosquito. We have to wait for the reaction to that level. We can't blindly aggressively short that market at that level, right? All right, Platinum. I mean, I'm still holding this Platinum short. This might take a while, but I really like the setup here. Very good. So yeah, let's have a look at the market structure at the E-mini S&P 500 whilst we are at it. You know, why would you want to trade this market? I mean, oh, I forgot that today is long weekend on the USD, right? Let's have a look. Yeah, Memorial Day or some shit like that. Forex Factory. It is bank holiday in the UK and the US. So we might as well just take some profit at 1 hour. We should have taken some profits at 1 hour. Oh boy. Shit, forgot about that. Doesn't matter. No, I mentioned possible Japanese yen longs, right? So, yeah, I wasn't paying attention to the calendar, man. That sucks. But it's all right. It's okay. It's okay. I mean, the setup is the setup is the setup is the setup, right? So on the Japanese yen side, right, I'm looking for the next swing trade on the pound yen short. right? That means that I'm looking for Japanese yen longs, and I have been looking for those longs for a fucking while now. Now, my point of interest is right here. So on the 50-minute chart, we have this big ass imbalance, right? Now this is the last time that we saw real buyers jumped in and leaving this imbalance. So the cool thing about this is that all along, this is from April, this is 1 month ago, right? But all of this time, week-long players have been liquidated by squeezes, right? Liquidation here, all the way up to today's liquidation. Now, we haven't tapped this imbalance just yet. That's why I am not long on the Japanese yen just yet. First of all, because this is a big ass imbalance, right? And secondly, because we haven't tapped into it just yet. And thirdly, because we are still breaking with the structure to the downside, guys. So until I get a market structure shift play, I'm not going to go long on the Japanese yen, meaning that I'm not going to go short on the pound yen. But if we get that, this is going to be the one, man. The yearly trade where we're going to bank. So yeah, that's about it on my Japanese yens. So now that we are looking at being on a fucking bank holiday, I should have taken, but it doesn't matter, right? I should have taken my 1R at the lows here, but the setup is the setup is the setup is the setup. So I'm gonna play the setup. All right, guys. So I've been live for 45 minutes. Today's bank holiday. Nothing to do here, but update you on how I'm gonna manage this trade. This platinum short's looking phenomenal, if you ask me. Very good short on platinum, and I'll keep you updated on this euro US dollar. So don't overtrade today's bank holiday all over the place. So cheers, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.